Hello everyone, this is One Man, One Camera. Today is March 17th, St. Patrick's Day, 2020. Right now, I'm on the strip at the corner of, at one of the pedestrian overpasses at the corner of Tropicana and Las Vegas Boulevard. Now, because of the virus, the place has slowed down considerably. There have been several casino closings, hotel closings, shop closings, restaurant closings, up and down the strip. Let's take a walk through and just see what's open for today and see what's closed. All right, let's go. I can't say let's have some fun, but let's go and just see what's actually happening on the ground here. All right, let's take that walk. Oh, once one man, one camera. Today is March 17th, about 6:30 in the evening. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Just within an hour or so ago, Governor Sisolak of Nevada decided to close down everything. Essentially, he has dropped the hammer on the state. So, the casinos are closing, and right now I'm in front of the Bellagio here on the Strip, and as you can see, they are sealing the doors with lovely plywood. Not to make light of the situation, but what else can we do? Well, let's see what's going to be closed, what's going to be open. All right. Let's see. Here we go. All casinos, hotels, motels will be given time to exit their guests, and they will then close for 30 days, effective tomorrow. All gaming machines in bars, restaurants, convenience stores, casinos, etc. must be emptied and shut down. Deadline is 24 hours. The airport, banks, postal service, hospitals, pharmacies, and urgent care facilities will remain open, with the caveat that all employees maintain the appropriate social distancing and recommended hygiene practices. Professional offices, including lawyers, doctors, accountants, realtors, etc., may remain open, provided the staff desks are arranged to ensure maximum safety precautions and flexibility in staffing hours. And sick leave is provided upon request. No employee. Hey guys. No. Oh, damn it. My boss. Gotta go. Hey man. Hey, what's up? Hey. Yeah, I just got the note from the governor, I guess on Twitter, saying that everything should be shut down. In fact, right now, I'm in front of the Bellagio, and they're putting plywood in front of the Starbucks and sealing off the entrance. Yeah, right now. So, yeah, it's done. So as far as us, I guess, work in the morning and come home and that's it. No, so, okay, I'll start texting you about it. Yeah, tell him to Exactly. Okay. Fair enough. Okay. All right. Okay, man. All right. Yeah. It's rough, So, we'll figure it out. Yeah. All right. All right, man. Thank you. All right. I'll talk to you later. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. I know. All right. Cheers. Bye. Oh. My boss, where was I? So, I hope I got this right. No employee who wishes to remain home should be required to be at work. All restaurants must close. Curbside delivery, takeout, and home delivery is encouraged. All retail malls and stores will be closed for 30 days. And so there you have it. The hammer has dropped. Things are going to get pretty gnarly here over the next 30 days. Let's hope this virus does, burn itself out quickly and pass over Nevada and pass over actually a lot of states. So wherever you are, whoever you are, like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello and I'll say hello back. Take care wherever you are. I can't really say have a nice day. I can only say take care of yourself and, make sure everything's all right, okay? All right, you guys. This is One Man, One Camera, signing out.